everyone. Welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese song or China drama OST Qing Xi by Li Hao. I like this song after watching the China drama Love's Rebellion or 四海重明. I'll be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. Just popping in for a few seconds to say that I have a Facebook page, Drama Shows Live, and also an Instagram account, Drama Cream Jia where I share the dramas and shows that I love, and also an Instagram account, Musically Entertaining, where I share the Chinese songs that I love. 我穿过人海的缝隙与路过，留下了痕迹，多幸运与你相遇。太多看不完的风景，太多聊不完的话题，陪着你直到天晴。我 is I。穿过 is to pass through and usually is through the crowd or through the streets. Ren Hai is crowd. Feng Xi is a gap or a narrow space in between. The is used to connect the description and the noun. So the noun is Feng Xi and the description is Ren Hai. So the gap of the crowd. Yu is rain. Lu guo is pass by. Liu xia is to leave behind. Liu xia le means left, left behind or left. Henji is trace or mark. Duo is so. Xing Yun is lucky or fortunate. Yu Ni is with you. Xiang Yu is meet. Tai is two. Duo can be much or many. So in this case it's many. Depending on the noun. Kan is see. one is finish. Kan bu wan means cannot see finish. Feng Jing is scenery. De is used to connect the noun and the description. So Feng Jing is the noun. Kan bu wan is the description. So the scenery that cannot be seen finish, or cannot finish seeing. Tai again is two. Duo is many or much. Liao is talk, and usually is more of a casual talk. One again is finish. So liao bu wan is cannot talk finish or cannot finish talking. Hua ti is topics. So similarly, the de is used to connect the description and the noun. So hua ti is the noun, and liao bu wan is the description. So the topics that cannot finish talking about. Pei is accompany. Pei zhe means accompanying, because it makes it a continuous tense. Ni is you. Zhi dao is until. Tian Qing is it becomes sunny or the sky becomes clear.雨落的声音，我屏住呼吸，雨伞下我们的约定，在你的身边才变清晰。我为你撑起，哪怕倾盆大雨，朦胧的世界此刻放晴，不会放弃，我守护你。雨 is rain. Luo is drop. Sheng yin is sound. De is used to connect the noun and the description. So the sound of rain dropping. Bo is I. Bing zhu is to hold, and this is usually used with holding your breath. Hu xi is breath. 雨伞 is umbrella. Xia is under. Woman is we, 我们的 it becomes our. Yue Ting is promise. The preposition is usually after the noun. So instead of under the umbrella, is in Chinese it will be 雨伞下, which is the same meaning as under the umbrella. 在 is at. 你的 is 你 is you. 你的 is your. 身边 is side. So 在你的身边 is by your side. 才 is then. 变 is become. 清晰 is clear. 我 is I. 为你 is for you. 撑起 is to hold up. You also can say 撑伞 which is holding an umbrella. 哪怕 is even. 倾盆大雨. 倾盆大雨 is a Chinese idiom that means that it is raining heavily or is a downpour. 倾 is when you tilt it slightly. 盆 is a basin. 大 is big. 雨 is rain. So when you tilt a basin in the sky, you cause a heavy rain. 朦胧 is blur or you cannot see clearly. 世界 is world. 的 is used to connect the adjective and the noun. So 世界 is the noun, 朦胧 is the adjective, so a blur word. 此刻 is this moment. 放晴 is to become sunny or clear. 不会 is will not. 放弃 is give up. 我 is I. 守护 is protect. 你 is you. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.